Welcome back to 99 Reviews, and in this video I am going to tell you about Capcut new update June 2024. I will give you just an overview of all amazing updates without wasting much time. So let's jump to the new amazing features. Capcut has added a lot of things in the new update. The first thing, which is very helpful for the editors, is adding of new animations. Now you have more variety of animations to add on your videos. The second new addition is in Split Effects. Split Effect also got some really good updates. These updates make video editing way much easier and more professional than before, so this is also a good addition. In image animation, for example, when you add any image and then apply some animation, this section got a lot of variety, but one of the best is sticky notes. This looks amazing and very helpful for editors who uses page-like editing. In image editing, there is Style option. This option includes AI editing. A number of AI templates are available, and you can use these all free of cost in Android. In filters, new contrasting filters according to the current need are added for aesthetic videos. In text writing, new fonts, new effects, and new writing styles are added. And if I tell you one best effect, then this one is best of all to use. This will look really cool in your videos, so these are some updates to look for in Capcut application. Try them and must give a feedback. Do subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this.